How to scroll TikTok hands-free. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply scroll TikTok hands-free. So without further ado, let's dive into this. But before, just need to get into the Play Store and search for the TikTok application. Once you have searched on it, just tap on the application and make sure it's updated because it won't be available on the previous versions of the TikTok. Secondly, you go into the phone settings. Once you get there, you just have to search for the gestures. If you are using an Android phone, and you have to look for voice commands or voice changers or and say things like that if you're using or you are an Apple user. So once you have set up that, I have set up the voice command. Now if I say next, automatically on the TikTok next video would be played, and if I say back, the back video would be played. So after doing this, you're going to go and open up the TikTok application. So here it is. This is how you open the TikTok. So once I have opened the TikTok, now I would say next. You have seen how the video has automatically been shifted. So whenever I'll speak that command, automatically the phone would turn on or get over to the next video. Next. So this is how it is. And if I say the other command to make it move backwards, back. So this is how it moves back. So this is how you basically use or scroll TikTok hands free. And if you still guys have any query or question, just comment down below. I would love to answer. And make sure you have hit that subscribe button and along with the bell icon, and you have liked that video. Make sure you comment on it as well. So till next time, peace.